हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल आर्ट इज़ माई पैशन। एंड आज हम कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग बनाने वाले हैं जिसका नाम है टेक्सचर पेस्ट और स्कल्पचर पेस्ट। ये एक ऐसा पेस्ट होता है जिससे हम अलग अलग टाइप का 3D आर्ट कर सकते हैं, लिप पेन आर्ट भी कर सकते हैं कोन में भर के। ये 2-in-1 पेस्ट है। लेट्स स्टार्ट मेकिंग इट। फॉर इट द मेन इंग्रेडिएंट्स आर सम ऑयल, coconut oil or any scentless oil, and water, glue, and some wall putty. Actually, I have taken Walmart wall putty. You can take any, but some wall putties are different from each other, you should follow the recipe accordingly. But if you have Walmax, I'll suggest you take Walmax, but it's your choice. If it's not available, you can take any one. First I'm taking some wall putty. I'm taking 5 spoons of wall putty, and I think 5 spoons for one art piece is enough, but it's on you how much thick leaves or how much thick structure you make. Now I will add some Fevicol MR. You can use any glue available or wood glue. If you use only water, it can be very flaky afterwards, after it dries. So that's why I'm using some glue to make it very smooth. I have made an art piece with only using water and plaster, and it was literally a blunder because all the parts were just coming off the canvas. Never make these things on canvas, I think, because cardboard or MDF board is perfect. In 5 spoons of wall putty, I have added 1 to 2 tablespoons of MR, Fevicol MR. Now I am adding some water as per the requirement, and please ignore the background voices if any is coming. Water you can use according to you, that how much thin or thick paste you want, because if you are using it for sculpture making, actually sculpture painting, you have to take a thick paste. But if you are using it for like lip pen art, you have to fill this paste in a cone or a bottle. For that you need a little bit of thin paste. Add the water accordingly. But the recipe which I am telling is for both, but you have to adjust the consistency. By using this paste, I will also make an art piece, but not in this video, but obviously in next video. Actually, I posted a post in which I wrote that I will be uploading a video on Taj Mahal, painting a Taj Mahal, but actually it is delayed because my artwork started late, so that's why. But I think on Monday or Tuesday the video will be uploaded, so that's why I'm uploading this video. This video is also very helpful, make sure to watch it full. And also in this paste, for making this paste, actually you have to stir it very well for about 10 to 15 minutes to dissolve all the hard particles of the wall putty, because if you don't, the hard particles will show out in the painting and it will not look very good. See how smooth it is now. But one more thing is missing, which is gesso, which I have already added in this mixture. Actually, I forgot to tell you, I have also added some gesso in this mixture. And also by using this same paste you can also make air dry clay. Yes, air dry clay. For making air dry clay, in this paste only add some more wall putty and you are good to go. And also obviously adjust the consistency according to you of the clay if you are making a clay. So it's not 2-in-1 but 3-in-1 paste. So now I have added the gesso paste. And the quantity of the material are actually not fixed because if you are using different type of wall putty or any cement, the requirements of water and glue will be different. So now I am just mixing it very thoroughly. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. You can use any scentless oil. You can also use vegetable oil or olive oil. And I have already prepared the board on which I will do painting with this paste. So stay tuned, I will also share a video doing a painting with this paste. And trust me, this paste is very smooth. I am having this paste in my hand and this is really smooth paste, and I was really obsessed with this paste while working with this because it was just gliding on the board. So yeah, now my paste is almost ready. Now I am just adding some little bit of water to adjust the consistency according to me. You can add or not add according to you. And see how smooth this paste is looking because I was stirring it from about 10 to 15 minutes actually, and my hand was about to fall off. Okay, jokes aside, now I have made this paste finally. The consistency of this paste should be like whipped cream. If you are making it for sculpture painting, and if you're making for lip and art or making clay, I already told what to do. Sorry. So yeah, now I'm just collecting all the paste from the walls of the bowl and just adding little bit of water to. Actually, while I was stirring it, it was drying a little bit. Drying a little bit, so I just added a little bit of water in it to make it perfect. See how smooth this is. Just my sister walking here and there. Ignore. Now I'm just filling this paste into a container to store it. If you don't want to store it and use it right away, you can. But I'm storing it as I will make art piece later on, as I already told. And also I have made a MDF board at home. If you want to know how I made it, you can comment down below. I will surely tell you. It's very easy, and I just use this paste and the cardboard, and you can make any type or any shape of MDF board you need. So yeah, my paste is ready. Sculpture paste is ready. I didn't use any type of fiber or cotton anything for this. I just used simple materials which you can find on any shop. So this is the painting which I made by just using the the wall putty and water, and look how dry and just flaky it looks, and it does not have any finishing because of this reason. So that's why we should always add some glue, some oil and water as well to make a smooth paste. I know it will take some time, but the results will be amazing. So yeah guys, this is all about this video, and I hope you have learned something special from this video, and I hope it will help you out. So yeah, this is all about, and this is the only tip that while you're making some sculpture paste, stir it really well so that all the particles dissolve, and add glue. So yeah, this is the wall putty I was using, as I already showed, but yeah, one more time if you missed it. And this is the final result guys. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and comment down below, share my videos. Thank you.